Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious fruit cake, also known as rum cake, black cake, or Caribbean cake. My ingredients consist of brown sugar, dry raisin fruits, baking powder, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon powder, red label wine, vanilla extract essence, browning, eggs, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, and also ground nutmeg. First thing first, you definitely want to go ahead and basically purify or blend your fruits. So at this point, guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your dry fruits or raisin to a food processor or blender, whichever you're comfortable using, feel free to use. Next, add your wine. Perfect. So to get started, guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your butter. Next, you want to go ahead and basically blend your butter. Next up, you want to go ahead and add your sugar. So at this point, you definitely want to make sure that your butter and sugar thoroughly blend. So next up, guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add a small portion of your blended fruits. Add your browning. At least 2 tablespoons of browning. Once more, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 additional tablespoons. Next up, guys, you want to go ahead and add your remaining blend fruits. So at this point, guys, you definitely want to go ahead and add your spices. Ground nutmeg, ground clove, cinnamon powder, almond essence. So guys, a complete measurement of description of ingredients I'm using here will definitely be in the description of the video, so you can always check it out. Next up, guys, you want to go ahead and add your flour. Please, but not last, you definitely want to go ahead and add your baking powder, also your egg. Here we are, guys. My batter is completely finished. Next up, you definitely want to go ahead and add these to a coated pan. So next up, guys, you definitely want to go ahead and grease your pan. flour. Next step, guys, you want to go ahead and add your batter. If you want to make sure that it's thoroughly even, you're just going to go ahead and slightly shake it. Here we are, guys. Next step, you want to add this to your oven at 350 degrees, 1 hour. So here's my finished cake, guys. Delicious rum cake. Enjoy the video recipe. Kindly subscribe to my channel, please. Until next time.